Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and access. Jack the car, place stands, and chock the wheels. You want a stable workspace. Once secure, remove the wheel to expose the sway bar link. Spray the link studs and nuts with penetrating oil and let it soak for 10-15 minutes. This eases stubborn threads. While the oil works, support the lower control arm with a jack to take load off the link so you can safely break the nut without the suspension dropping. Now you move to the core job. Hold the sway bar link stud with an Allen key or hex bit while you loosen the nut with a socket. This prevents the stud from spinning and rounding. Remove both upper and lower fasteners, pull the old link free, and immediately compare it to the new one for length and bushing style. Once confirmed, position the new link, seat the bushings, and thread the nuts by hand first so alignment is correct before final torquing. Finish by tightening the link nuts to the manufacturer's torque specification using a torque wrench. Accurate torque prevents premature wear. Once torqued, reinstall the wheel, lower the car off stands, and torque the lug nuts to spec. Test drive slowly to confirm no clunking and that steering feels normal. If you hear noise or feel looseness, pull back onto stands, recheck fastener torque and bushing orientation. Make sure the studs aren't cross-threaded and that the bushings are fully seated to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.